How do you sous vide a steak? Simple. Step 1, put your steak in a bag, put it in the water, set your temperature. Hour later, step 2 is to take your steak in the bag, and you want to pour out the juices into a pot. Pour it out, every bit of it. And then, here's my secret step. Replace the juices with a marinade. So right here, I have soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, pepper, some salt. What else? Basil, some olive oil. Okay. Now, you put it back in. About 30 minutes later, step 3, you take the steak and then you pour out the remaining juices and marinade into a separate pot. You're probably like, why are we doing this? Well, this is your dipping sauce. Step 4, take your steaks out, put your seasoning on it. You can tell this is the one with marinade, this is the one that's not. You can tell it's darker. Put some oil in your pan. Sear at high heat for about 1.5 minutes each side. I know some of you are like, why isn't he doing this on the grill? Well, it is raining outside. Pouring cats and dogs. We'll do it in the house. Next step, get them off the stove. Lastly, take your juices and your marinade, you warm it up, bring it to a boil. There's your dipping sauce. Yeah, boy.